Good afternoon, everyone. We're here to talk about the newest project that Pixar is planning to launch within the next year. The name of the project is My Pixar. The agenda, we will be going over the project overview, discuss the project approach, we'll talk about the scheduling, and we'll also talk about the responsibilities and project teams and the key stakeholders. In the last bit of time that we have left, we will open it up for questions. Pixar is launching a new production service to customer, and the name of the production website is My Pixar. We're creating a company website where customers can post home videos for professional editing services, and we will also give them an option to add animations to their home videos. We have 4 phases in our development and planning. The first phase, define and plan, and then comes the design. We have build and test phase, and the last is deliver and support. During the define and plan phase, our main objectives is to define a solution to support the business objectives, to formulate roadmap, to determine major project objectives, participants, and timeline. And the tasks related to fulfilling these objectives are requirement gathering, analyze the requirements, and define project procedures and timeline. During the design phase, the objectives we want to achieve is define key business processes that will support the business objectives, and the task list to fulfill the objective is map functional area, business and system process, plan for development, and plan for testing. During the build and test phase, we will be focusing on building technical solutions while testing the solutions, and also planning for end user training and development. And the task list during this phase is product development, data validation, system testing, deliver and support preparation, workforce management, and end user training development. And the final phase of the project, deliver and support phase, our objectives will be to deploy technical solutions and redesign business processes, transition end user support and training responsibilities to My Pixar customer support team. And the task list for this objective is final configurations, training, post-production assistance, and project closeout. The schedule for the project, the first 4 months starting January 2016, we will be defining and planning, and we will pick up the design phase right after that for 10 months. Build and test will start 3 months into the design phase, and we will continue that for another 7 months. And we will deploy the project towards May of 2017, and we'll continue the training support for the next 3 months during that time frame. Main stakeholders, the project sponsors for this project is John Doe, who's the Director of Strategic Services, Ali Perez, who's VP of Applications, and we also have executive support team, Jack Johnson, the CIO, and Brad Levine, Director of R&D. Their responsibilities in this project will be to provide primary project sponsorship, and they'll be ultimately responsible for the success of the project, and they'll monitor the project and its progress very closely. The next, we have our project managers, Lisa Stock and Kevin Harris, and we will be responsible to act as primary point of contact for the project team members. We'll ensure successful and timely execution of the project tasks. We'll review and approve project deliverables. We'll conduct project status reportings, and if there is any issue that arises, we will escalate it to appropriate resources for a resolution, and will encourage a productive environment for the entire team. Our project team members, team leads, Chris Henderson, who is the dev lead, Karen Ann, who is the quality assurance lead, Sarah Bowles, the architect, and Dan Wilson, who is the UAT coordinator. And we also have 4 new consultants joining us for this project. David Thompson, developer, Mike Davis, developer, Tony Chong, and Rachel Adams will be our new quality analysts. Their responsibilities for the project will be to develop conversion programs and processes, provide industry and application expertise, design the new system, process, and data maps, facilitate design validation sessions, configure and support the new system during the project, and map application data. Our expectations for the whole team is to follow project procedures, call support anytime during the project. Please do not hesitate to do that. Advance notice on dates or times during the whole project. If anything is not going to meet our timeline or anything like that happens, please do let us know. All questions should go through project managers, and time commitment might vary depending on the role, depending on the workload. Please get involved, speak up, and share. Talk early and often, and work together to keep the projects coordinated. Thank you. This is all I have for you today, and I'm going to open this up for questions at this point.